Hello, hello. Today's book is Don't Go Out, Little Pig. Ah! Oh, it looks like it's raining outside. Little pig, where are your clothes? You're going to go outside with no clothes on? Don't go out like that, little pig. Look at you. You don't have anything on. Come on, go and get dressed. We don't want to go out like that. Okay, bing, wee. Little pig put on a shirt, and that's all. Wait. Don't go out like that, little pig. Can't you see it's freezing? Oh, so cold, cold and rainy. Go and put on your coat. We don't want to get cold. Get your coat. So does little pig put on the coat? Ba-bam! Ooh, a fun hat. Oh my. Yay! Wait! Don't go out like that, little pig. Can't you see the wind is blowing? Go and put on your scarf. We don't want to get a sore throat. Get your scarf. Dad's necktie. Oh my. Oh my. Don't go out like that, little pig. Can't you see the road is wet? Put on your boots, your rain boots. We don't want to come back covered in mud. Yeah, don't get too dirty. Put on your rain boots. What? What are these? Fancy yellow shoes. Oh, it's raining, pig. Don't go out like that, little pig. Can't you see it's raining, cats and dogs? So much rain. Lots and lots of rain. Take your umbrella. We don't want to get wet. Grab your umbrella. Pew! Oh, wait. Don't go out like that, little pig. Wait, can't you see? Oh. Pew! Little pig's gone. Wow! Playing in the rain, playing in the mud. Oh my! Gas range. Wow! Oh, so dirty, but happy. Don't come back in like that, little pig. You are covered in mud. What would your mom say if you try to come in the house like this? No! Take a shower outside, huh? Before you come in, go and wipe your feet. Go and change your clothes. Go and get dried off. Oh my. Go and happy little pig.